Industrial precision cutting is a high-precision cutting technique used in various industrial applications. Robotic welder, the fairy dancer that joins metal pieces together effortlessly. It's like watching a robot doing the tango with sparks flying. Plant genome editing with advancements in gene editing technologies like CRISPR-Cas9. Scientists can modify the genetic makeup of plants to enhance desirable traits. Industrial extrusion is the process of shaping materials by forcing them through a die. Crop monitoring drone is an unmanned aerial vehicle equipped with sensors and cameras to monitor crop health, identify pests or diseases, and provide valuable data for precision farming. Why did the farmer bring a ladder to the barn? Because he heard the hay was stacked. Precision seeder, an agricultural machine that accurately plants seeds at precise intervals and depths in the soil. Industrial drying ovens are specialized ovens used for drying or cutting various materials. Fusion reactor, an experimental device that generates clean and abundant energy by replicating the same process that powers the sun, fusion of atomic nuclei. Solar-powered water pump is a water pumping system that utilizes solar energy for irrigation, reducing reliance on traditional power sources. Robotic weed control system is an automated machinery that identifies and eliminates weeds through precise targeted applications of herbicides or mechanical removal. Hydraulic press is the mighty force that crushes anything in its path with hydraulic strength. It's like having the Hulk on standby for heavy-duty squishing. Industrial material testing and analysis of materials to determine their properties and sustainability for industrial use. Industrial noise control techniques and equipment used to reduce noise in industrial environments. Industrial calibration is the verification and adjustments of measuring instruments to ensure accuracy. Nutrient applicator is a device that precisely delivers fertilizers or other nutrients to crops, ensuring optimal nutrition and reducing wastage. Robotic fruit picking systems are advanced robots designed to identify and pick ripe fruits with precision, improving harvesting speed and efficiency. Livestock monitoring system is a sensor-based technology that monitors the health, behavior, and location of livestock, enabling early detection of diseases and improving herd management, keeping track of crop performance, and proudly proclaiming yield or no yield. I shall monitor it all. Mobile grain storage systems are portable storage units equipped with temperature and moisture control mechanisms to preserve harvested grains in optimal conditions. Industrial electrostatic discharge, ESD, protection measures to prevent damage caused by electrostatic discharge. Industrial vibration analysis of vibration patterns in industrial machinery for maintenance and optimization. Combined harvester harvests crops by cutting, threshing, and separating grains from the plant. High-pressure water, the water cannon that blasts away dirt and grime with intense force. Just like a superhero fighting stains and winning every time. Industrial particle size analysis process of measurement and characterization of particles sizes in industrial processes. Industrial data logging, collection and recording of data from industrial processes for analysis and monitoring. Industrial hazardous waste management is a process for proper handling, storage, and disposal of hazardous waste materials. GPS-guided tractor equipped with global positioning system technology for precise navigation and automated operations in the field. Soil moisture sensor is a device that measures moisture content in the soil, enabling optimal irrigation practices and water conservation. Hydroponic system, a soilless cultivation method that allows plants to grow in nutrient-rich water solutions, promoting faster growth and resource efficiency. Climate controlled greenhouse equipped with environmental control systems to regulate temperature, humidity, and ventilation, optimizing plant growth. Drones are the farmer's wingman in the sky, capturing stunning aerial views and secretly hoping to spot crop circles made by mischievous aliens.